Have you ever wondered what the future of money looks like? Could it be something like cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital form of money that is created, stored, and exchanged using cryptography. It is decentralized, meaning it is not controlled by any government or central bank. It is also secure, anonymous, and fast. Cryptocurrency has been around since 2009, when Bitcoin was first created. Since then, hundreds of other cryptocurrencies have been created, each with its own unique features and benefits. The most popular cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which is used for buying and selling goods and services. It is also used as an investment, as its value has increased significantly over the years. Other popular cryptocurrencies include Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. Cryptocurrency has the potential to revolutionize the way we use money. It is faster and more secure than traditional payment methods, and it can be used to make international payments without the need for a bank or other financial institution. Cryptocurrency is also becoming increasingly popular as an investment. Many people are investing in cryptocurrency because of its potential for high returns. However, it is important to remember that investing in cryptocurrency is risky and you should always do your research before investing. Cryptocurrency is the future of money and it is here to stay. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we use money and make international payments. Investing in cryptocurrency can be risky, but it can also be very rewarding. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrency and how to invest in it, subscribe to my channel and get 2 videos every day for free.